Fractals. In 1975, Benoit Mandelbrot published in French the amazing book, The Fractal Geometry of Nature, bringing together over 20 years of research. He coined the word fractal from the Latin fractus, or broken, to highlight the fragmented and irregular nature of his computer-generated geometric landscapes. A key feature of fractals is that they are self-similar at different scales. A small part of the structure looks like the whole. Another feature of fractals is their fractional dimension. The length of a fractal depends on how accurately it is measured. If we could zoom in further and further, the total length would get higher and higher, approaching infinity. Yet the area would remain within a defined limit. Some natural forms of fractals include minerals that form dendrites, the shells of ammonites, a type of broccoli, a variety of fungus, ice crystals, ferns, snowflakes, neurons in our brain, storms, blood vessels, a coastline, and mud cracks. Here we are cutting into some broccoli, and you can see the beautiful fractals inside. You can see that the broccoli, as you get smaller and smaller, it seems like the shape keeps repeating over and over again. How cool is that? That's awesome.